Hey everyone, welcome to a New Year Financial Plan with me session. Today, we're using the New Year Financial Planner to set a solid financial foundation for the year ahead. First up, let's talk about the Canva whiteboard. It's an incredibly versatile tool for all your New Year financial planning needs. The whiteboard includes a clock, countdown, calendar, to-do list, and links to the New Year Financial Planner. Plus, it's fully customizable to match your style and specific needs. Now, start with the goal setting. Identify your top 3 financial goals for the year and break them down into actionable steps. Next, organize your personal monthly budget. Track daily living expenses, insurance, savings goals, and debt repayment to stay on track each month. Then, organize your emergency fund, retirement contributions, education and training, and other section for miscellaneous expenses. Now, let's move on to the business monthly budget. First, organize your monthly revenue, expenses, and last year's profit and loss. Then, allocate funds for upcoming legal and professional fees, maintenance and repairs, and estimated taxes. Now, allocate funds for your contingency fund and savings goals. Then, allocate funds for your investment plans, marketing budget, and any technology upgrades for the year. Next, is the 52-week savings challenge. Start saving $1 in week 1, then $2 in week 2, and so on, until you reach $1,378 by the end of the year. Lastly, set up your debt repayment plan. List all your debts, track payments, then choose the snowball or avalanche method, and stay on track. Don't forget to celebrate milestones after paying off your debt. And that's it, we've officially planned for the year ahead. It was quick and easy with the New Year Financial Planner. That wraps up our session using the New Year Financial Planner. If you want to create a solid financial foundation, you can. Just get your copy of the New Year Financial Planner and start planning today. Wishing you a successful year ahead. Happy planning, and thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more.